If you clicked on this video, it's probably because your personal credit score is blocking your business from getting funding. That was me after I launched my first LLC. I applied for cards after card, got denied over and over, and watched my score drop before my business even got off the ground. What nobody told me is that there are business cards out there that never check your personal credit at all. No hard pull, no personal guarantee, no hit to your score. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through 5 business cards that don't check your personal credit and show you how founders are getting approved in as little as in 48 hours. So here's what changed everything for me. Traditional banks still judge you like a personal borrower. They want years of business history and perfect personal credit before they even look at you. But the new wave of business cards don't care about your personal credit report from 5 years ago. They look at real numbers such as your revenue, your cash flow, and your business bank activity. I call this credit-free business funding, and once you understand it, you can protect your personal score and still get the credit that you need to scale. Of course, as a disclaimer, these cards are going to be best for well-established businesses and not for those who haven't had any revenue. Let's start with a card that's upping the game on how businesses manage expenses. The Ramp Corporate Card. Ramp is a financial operations platform used by over 50,000 companies, and they have helped businesses save over $10 billion through their intelligent spending controls. Here's what makes Ramp different. This isn't just a card. It's a complete financial operations system that combines corporate cards, expense management, payments, and automated bookkeeping all in one platform. And now Ramp has introduced AI agents, which are automated workflows that take repetitive finance tasks off your plate entirely. These agents can review transactions, match receipts, enforce policy, and even flag unusual spending in real time. Instead of your team chasing down paperwork, Ramp's AI handles the busy work, so your finance team can focus on strategic decisions, not administrative tasks. You will earn cash back on all of your card purchases with no caps or category restrictions. That's real money back on every dollar that you spend. But the cashback is just the beginning. Ramp gives you access up to $350,000 in partner rewards with companies like AWS, UPS, and Amazon Business. For growing startups, these discounts can save you thousands every single month. Now, here's the part that matters the most. Ramp doesn't check your personal credit at all. There's no personal guarantee required. Everything is based on your business financials. The approval process is fast. Many businesses get approved quickly, often within 48 hours. And Ramp offers higher limits than traditional business cards. Your business must be a registered entity like an LLC or a corporation. Sole proprietors aren't eligible. Now, Ramp is a charge card, which means that you need to pay your balance in full each month. But this structure actually helps you manage cash flow better and avoid accumulating debt. The platform integrates seamlessly with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite, automatically categorizing every transaction and speeding up your monthly close. You can issue unlimited virtual and physical cards to employees with built-in spending controls. This means that you can set the limits and restrictions before employees ever swipe, preventing out-of-policy spending before it happens. Ramp also eliminates expense reports completely. Employees can submit expenses via SMS in less than 25 seconds, and receipts are automatically captured through the mobile app integrations with Gmail, Lyft, and more. There are no annual fees and no foreign transaction fees, making it perfect for businesses with international operations. And this is important. Ramp reports your payment history to the business credit bureaus, so every payment that you make, you're building your business credit profile. For startups and LLCs looking to scale fast while maintaining tight control over spending, Ramp delivers everything that you need in one platform. Now, if your business is looking for flexible payment terms, that's where our next card comes in. The Revenue Business Credit Line is designed for businesses that need serious capital without putting personal assets on the line. This is a business credit line that comes with a Visa card for immediate access to capital. Limits vary widely, but for established businesses, they can scale pretty meaningfully over time. Similar to Ramp, they don't care about your personal credit score. There's zero personal guarantee required, and they focus entirely on your business cash flow and revenue. If your business is depositing at least $20,000 per month into your business bank account, you're in conversation for approval. The requirements are straightforward. Your business needs to be at least 1 year old. You need to have a separate business bank account with at least 3 months of activity, minimum of $20,000 per month in deposits. They can work with any business entity except sole proprietors and must be US based. Revenue uses factor rates between 1.1 to 1.5, which means that if you access $100,000, you might pay back between $110,000 to $150,000, depending on your business strength and the terms that you choose. But here's what makes this worthwhile. You only pay when you use the funds. There's no monthly fees, no annual fees, and no hidden costs sitting around. You get instant access to capital through your Revenue Visa card, and the funds are available 24/7 through their mobile app. Revenue also reports to Dun & Bradstreet, so you're actively building your business credit profile while accessing capital. For businesses that need significant capital to invest in inventory, equipment, or growth opportunities, Revenue offers some of the highest credit limits available without a personal credit check. Now, while Revenue is perfect for established businesses with strong revenue, what if you're a smaller startup that needs premium benefits without all of the massive requirements? That's where our next card comes in. The Mercury Charge Card is a premium option for startups that want sophisticated banking tools combined with excellent rewards. This card gives you an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase with no caps, no categories to track, and absolutely no personal credit check required. But here's a requirement. You need to be a Mercury banking customer and maintain at least $25,000 in your Mercury business account. Now, before you think it's too steep, remember that this money stays in your account earning interest. You're not paying Mercury anything. You're just maintaining a healthy cash balance. Mercury evaluates your business based purely on your account health and cash flow. Your personal credit history never enters the equation. The card comes with premium benefits that you normally see with cards with annual fees. You get fraud protection, no foreign transaction fees, and exclusive discounts on essential business tools like AWS, Microsoft, and Adobe. Mercury reports to the major business credit bureaus, like the first two on the list, so every purchase strengthens your business credit profile. The card integrates perfectly with Mercury banking platform, giving you real-time expense tracking, automatic transaction categorization, and detailed spending insights. For startups with strong cash positions that want premium banking features without annual fees, Mercury delivers exceptional value. But what if you're a brand new business that doesn't have $25,000 sitting in the bank yet? Our next card has the lowest barriers to entry on the entire list. The Fairfigure Capital Card is what I like to call the accessible builder because it's designed specifically for businesses that are just getting started. This is a true EIN-only business card that requires no personal guarantee, no personal credit check, and no lengthy applications. Fairfigure extends you funding based on your recurring monthly revenue. If you make at least $2,500 in monthly revenue and have been in business for at least 3 months, you can qualify. So let me repeat that. Just 3 months in business and $2,500 in monthly revenue, these are the lowest requirements on the entire list. Here's how it works. Fairfigure purchases your future business cash receivables at a discount. For example, they might purchase $745 of your future receivables for $500 today. They break up the repayments into either 5 or 9 weekly installments that are automatically debited from your business bank account via ACH, regardless of whether or not you use the card or not. These payments are then reported to multiple business credit bureaus as a trade line, helping you build business credit from day one. You could choose between a 4-week and an 8-week payback term, giving you flexibility based on your cash flow. And here's what makes Fairfigure powerful. They report to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, Credit Safe, the Small Business Financial Exchange, and their own foundational report. That's 5 different credit bureaus building your business credit profile. You will also earn cash back on eligible purchases, and your funding limit increases with each on-time payment as your business scales. There's no deposit required to get started, making this one of the most accessible business credit builders available. For brand new LLCs and startups that need established business credit quickly without high revenue requirements, Fairfigure removes the barriers that keep most new businesses stuck. But if you want something straightforward without all of the complexity, our final card offers simple, reliable business credit. The Roll Corporate Card is a no-nonsense option for businesses that want straightforward business credit without complications. This card focuses on doing basics really well, giving you solid cashback rewards with excellent expense management tools. You earn up to 1.25% cashback on all purchases with no caps or category restrictions. It's simple, transparent, and easy to track. Row doesn't require a personal guarantee or personal credit check. They evaluate your business based on cash flow, revenue, and overall financial health using what they call a holistic underwriting approach. The card integrates seamlessly with accounting tools like QuickBooks and NetSuite, making expense tracking effortless and keeping your books clean. You can use virtual cards for employees with customizable spending limits and restrictions, giving you complete control of who spends what and where. There's no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no hidden costs, so what you see is what you get. The approval process is straightforward and based entirely on your business data. Row looks at your overall business performance rather than focusing on any single metric. Your credit limit grows automatically with your business, so as your revenue and cash flow increase, Row adjusts your available credit without requiring you to reapply. For businesses that want reliable business credit without all the bells and whistles, Row delivers solid performance with complete transparency. So that's exactly how you can get approved for business cards without anyone ever checking your personal credit. These no-check cards are great for getting started and keeping your personal credit clean. Now, if you're at a different stage and you're specifically looking for 0% APR business credit, I'll break that down in another video. Click on this video right here where I'll walk you through how business owners are accessing $100,000 or more in 0% APR business credit even with a newer LLC. I'll show you the step-by-step system of what actually matters at each stage. I'll see you in the next one.